The compression spring is part of your Reciprocating Saw's blade clamp. The compression spring applies tension to the shoulder pin. It pushes the pin away from the blade when the clamp is opened, so the blade is released. Over time, the spring can lose its tension, which will prevent the blade from releasing. Replacing the compression spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the shoe from the saw. Now I can disassemble the blade clamp. First, I'll remove the outer rubber cover. The blade clamp is secured with a split retaining ring. I'll use a pick to remove it. Now I can remove the driving sleeve. With the driving sleeve removed, I can remove the shoulder pin and compression spring. Now I can replace the compression spring. Now install the driving guide. Again, I'll align the tabs with the grooves on the sleeve. And I'll secure everything with the split retaining ring. And last, I'll reinstall the rubber cover. And reinstall the shoe. And that's how easy it is to replace the compression spring in your Reciprocating Saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.